Kedudes Magnetic Dry Erase Board. And it also comes with 2 magnets as well as 6 markers too. Wow, look how nice this is. This measures 11 inches by 14 inches. And it also includes 2 magnets as well as 6 markers. And also these magnetic strips that you're able to stick on the back of this so you can hang it on a wall, or you can put it in a bedroom, on the refrigerator. You can even take this with you and just use it as a dry erase marker board. How perfect is this? Let me show you a close-up of everything you're going to receive. Here's the magnetic stickers with double-sided tape, so you're able to stick it on the back of this so you can put it on a refrigerator or some other metal device. And this is what it looks like. Here are the metal that it comes with as well. Perfect to put notes on top. And here are the colorful dry erase markers. You're going to get it in blue, green, black, red, purple, and orange. And on the back of them have these magnetic strips so you're able to hang it up. They also recommend hanging it upside down like this so the ink doesn't dry out. And this is what it looks like. And the nice thing is the back also has an eraser. So there you go. I wrote down hi, and it's so easy to erase. Perfect. And when not in use, you can stick it on just like that. This was sent from Kedudes, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.